Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain about common mistake people make when replacing fuses and relays that can end up you spending quite a bit of money on diagnostics tools, parts that you may not need. Make sure to stay until the end. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Explorer, that generation here from year 2011 to year 2015. If you need to find where the tail lights, also known as top brake lights, fuses and relays, also the third brake light, fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them. We will demonstrate how to locate them, where you can buy cheap parts and tools. That way do not waste money and time. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine lights, transmission lights, fuses, relays. Why we do all that, guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, check out our YouTube channels. We have, guys, more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, the tail lights, top brake lights and the third brake light, fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them. We will demonstrate on this generation, this specific Ford Explorer right here. Now guys, we need to first go ahead and open, okay, the driver door. And when you open the driver door, you need to come in the footwell compartment. Look, guys, behind the parking brake paddle, all the way up in the dash on the left side. If you look upside down, you will see one cover like this one. Press these two tabs, pull the cover out. Behind it you will find a fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here, guys, what you need to check specifically, okay, we need to check now specifically for that, guys. We're going right here, starting, that's fuse number 10, 11, 12, 13, fuse 13 and 14 will need to be checked, fuse number 13 and 14. Then you will need to check, guys, fuse number 15 right here. You will need to check that one. Also, you will guys need to check fuse number 30, and number 30, guys, is right here at 15M fuse. That's 30, and you need to locate fuse number 40. 40, guys, okay, will be that fuse right here. Now, guys, about fuses and relays, there are some fuses and relays that you need to check here. You need to open the hood. Next to the car battery is the main engine fuse box. You have two tabs, press, open the cover. That's the layout here. Specifically here, we might need to check relay number 12 right there. Check relay 37, 38 right here, guys, 53 and 77. These ones will need to be checked. Sometimes on these newer vehicles, if you had problem with a light or something like that, you may need to reset the body control module. Unfortunately, we'll have videos how to do that on our YouTube channels. So guys, by the way, you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, circuit breakers, and check under the hood. It's even more complicated, guys. And even you have some special fuses, okay, like this one right here. One time we needed a replacement fuse, we couldn't get one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that. We recommend to buy some, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience, where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.